Hello students, my name is Dr. Ashutosh Kashu and I am going to teach you this subject EHVAC and DC transmission, which is in your 8th semester of BTech Electrical Engineering degree. This is the scheme suggested by the RGPV University Bhopal. In this you can see that your subject departmental elective EE802. Here EE802C is EHVAC and DC transmission. So this is the subject code EE802C, and it carries 70 end sem marks, 20 mid sem marks, quiz assignment 10. So total it carries 100 marks and it has 4 credits. So this is about the weightage of this subject in this semester. Now this is the syllabus of this subject. This subject contains 5 units. In the very first unit, there is introduction of HVDC system, comparison between EHVAC and DC system, different types of DC links, limitation and advantages of HV and DC transmission system, then power handling capacity, then firing angle control, overlapping. In the second unit, we will learn about fake devices, then different types of fake devices, how these fake devices are used to control the power flow, how the reactive power compensation is done in transmission system using fake devices. In the third unit, there are components of EHVDC systems, how it is constituted, then converter circuits, rectifier and inverter circuits, what are the reactive power requirement of these converters, how harmonics are generated, then what are the adverse effects of harmonics in the system, and what remedials are taken to suppress the harmonics, then filters, ground return, then converter faults and their protection, commutation failure, and multi-terminal DC lines. In the fourth unit, we will see the controlling of EHVDC system, then different types of control characteristics, how constant current control is done, what is constant extension angle control, ignition angle control, and then we will see the parallel operation of EHVAC and DC system, problem and advantages. In the fifth unit, we will see the traveling waves in the transmission system, shape of traveling waves, attenuation and distortion effect of junction and termination on propagation of traveling waves, what is over voltages in transmission system, lightning, switching and temporary over voltages, and how it is controlled. So it is all about the syllabus of this subject. Now we will see the books which are to be referred, which are prescribed by the university. First one is S. Rao EHVAC transmission by Khanna publication, Kimbark HVDC transmission by John Willey, Emilega HVDC transmission, second edition by IEE Padiyar HVDC transmission, first edition by New Age International Publication, then TK Nag Sarkar Power System Analysis by Oxford University, then NG Hingorani Understanding of Facts, Concept and Technology by John Willey, and P. Kundur HVDC transmission. Among this book, I will suggest S. Rao, Kimbark, Padiyar, or Kundur. So any two books are sufficient to study this subject. So among these four books, S. Rao, Kimbark, Padiyar, or P. Kundur, you can purchase any two book or take it from the library. So it is all about the introduction of syllabus, scheme and books. From the very next lecture, we will start our first unit of this subject. Thank you very much.